Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this thick glossy slime. It's a pretty simple and easy tutorial and you probably have all of these ingredients inside your house. But before we get started on this tutorial, make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe to be a part of the slime family. And without further ado, let's just get on to the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pour your desired amount of glue. So I already have it in my bowl. And the second thing you need to do is that this step is optional, but I like to add a scent to my slime. So I'm going to be adding a peppermint scent. So I'm just going to add a few drops. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix this all together until it is fully mixed. So the next step is you need a few pumps of foaming hand soap. So I'm just doing 4 to 5 pumps. Any foaming hand soap brand will work just as well. And I'm just going to mix this all together. Then you need a teaspoon of baby oil. And the baby oil just makes the slime glossy. And then you're just going to give this a good mix. So now we're ready to activate our slime, and I have my activator in this cup. And today I'm using borax, which is 1 cup of hot water dissolved into 1 teaspoon of borax. And if you don't want to use borax, you can always use eye contact solution or laundry detergent. So I'm just going to add a teaspoon of our activator at a time. And then you're just going to mix until your slime forms. So this is how my slime turned out, and it's a little bit sticky, so it's not really completed. So it's like really sticky, so I'm just going to add a couple of more teaspoons of our activator until it fully dissolves. And it smells really, really good. So this is how my slime turned out, and your slime should be similar to this one unless you colored your slime. And all you need to do is you need to store it in an airtight container for at least 24 hours or more, and it should turn really glossy. But if you want it like super duper glossy, then it should take about 3 days and you'll have a super milky / glossy slime. I told you guys that this tutorial was really easy to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe to be a part of my slime family. And make sure you turn on post notifications so every time I upload, you'll be able to see it. And make sure you comment down below more ideas and videos I should do in the future. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and